This is the cathedral in Cebu. I think the oldest cathedral here. So I think it's Sunday, so there are many people attending the mass. I'll just see. Christian, so this is cathedral. Ang tawag mo dito?
Cebu Metropolitan Cathedral.
Yes, yes. We have a local here, so you can ask questions. So bawal mag-picture sa loob, no? And then this one.
And the next is Basilica del Santo Niño Church.
Oh, okay. Basilica del Santo Niño Church.
Oldest churches in Cebu. One of the oldest churches in Cebu.
Ah, okay, okay. So ito busy, no? Daming legacy. So in-encourage mo dito, maganda sa Cebu talaga for the tourists, no?
Well, talaga, best talaga dito na puntahan. Kasi dito, nandito lang lahat eh. So, pabundok ka man o padagat, ayun.
Just something. Yun, no? Yeah.
Kami. Yan yung Basilica del Santo Niño.
Which is very famous, no?
The famous church in Cebu.
Ano naman natin, patay natin ulit kasi, di ba?
Oo.
Nag-imisa. That's a sign of respect.
Yes.
So we'll just close it now. So we'll continue later. Thank you, our local guide. Welcome sa over here in Magellan's Cross. Justin and this my guy. Ayan, okay, go.
Dito na lang. Yan tayo ng Ligo 5. Ayan na.
Yung Santo Niño Chapel, bawal mag-photo nga dahil for solemn.
There's for solemn. Pero
Monday, Thursday,
actually, pwede naman siya mag-picture talaga if Monday to Thursday. Pero,
para pag Sunday.
Pero pag mga ganito, medyo mahirap. Kasi
yan po, huwag kayo mag-picture pag Sunday, pag Monday, Thursday.
Di ba?
Di ba, ito isa sa mga tourist spots dito na.
Bagong tourist spot. Kasi makikita mo yung bridge.
Okay, okay.
Yung
and then Bohol, makikita pa Bohol.
Yan doon yung Bohol. Yan yung Bohol. Ayun na yung Bohol.
Okay, okay.
Di ba? I told you nakita yung bridge. Yun lang yung bridge.
Ganda. Kita guys and Justin, we're here in Tabuan Market. Okay, mayong hapon. This is Justin, so this is famous in dry fish.
Ilan siya? Okay na.
This is, sila, mga boss ha. Ayun, sila long food, yung dapo. Kailan ito na-construct?
Kung starting 2000,
newly built lang?
open na siya yung pandemic.
Okay, after post-pandemic na. Galing. This is Cebu, how developed it is. Ay, galing ito may parang araw.
Yan o.
How long is the bridge is?
Ang laki ng bridge. Guide.
1 year supply yun. We came to the end of our vlog here in Cebu, and our plane is going in a while. And thank you for watching the vlog, and see you